How to delete your LinkedIn profile picture. To delete your LinkedIn profile picture, first of all, open any browser you have on your device and on the searching bar, search for LinkedIn. Once you search for that, go to the official website of LinkedIn and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then on the left, you will see your profile picture. Simply tap on it. From there, again tap on your profile picture. Then this pop-up will be seen. From there, at the right side, you will see delete option. Simply tap on it and this alert will be seen. From here, simply select delete and then you have successfully deleted your LinkedIn profile picture. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.